In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your appearance in Once Human. Now, in case you're not happy with your character, this can actually be a bit tricky to find because the game itself doesn't really tell you how to do it, and I'm going to show you how. Now, what you want to do is open up your build mode actually by pressing B on your keyboard, and then in here you want to right click on your mouse and go inside furniture and look for furnishing items, so the third tab. In here, as floor furniture, you will see a floor mirror. Now it has a freestanding floor mirror with minimalist frame lines and support structure for a full body reflection. It costs 20 logs and 10 glass to get it, so it's basically pretty much free. It's very easy to get. What you want to do is click on it and then place it somewhere inside your house. I'm going to place it over here. There we go. Now, you then want to exit your build mode by pressing either B on your keyboard or simply pressing escape on your keyboard. And then you want to walk up to the mirror, and then as you can see it will say floor mirror, and then press F to reshape. If you press F, you will then open up your appearance menu, and in here is the character creation menu, and you can completely change everything about your person and everything about your look you would like. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you change your appearance in Once Human, and then once you're done you simply want to press F, Reforged, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.